and welcome to Nature's Corner. I'm Shannon Unger, Park Program Supervisor here at Cabarrus County Active Living and Parks. And today we're going to be doing balloon science. We're going to do a couple short experiments that you can do at home if your mom and dad are there to help. That'll teach us about the 3 phases of matter. Do you know what the 3 phases of matter are? Follow me, I'll show you. So most matter, things that make up our planet, are made up of either a solid, a liquid, or a gas. Now solids have atoms or building blocks tightly compacted so much that you can't squeeze them anymore and you can even knock on them. Now liquid, the atoms are more spread out and they're not so hard, and then a gas, the atoms are way spread out with lots of empty space. I have some examples of a solid, liquid, and gas right here. I have a balloon that has ice in it and it is really hard. I can't compress this anymore, it's not flexible, it's not really bendable at all. That's a hard solid. And then I have a balloon with water in it, which is a liquid, and a balloon with air in it. And both of these are nice, squishy, and flexible, and they're not hard at all. So liquids and gases are not so hard, are they? Now, another interesting characteristic of water is its ability to hold heat. It's a really interesting physical property that's really important for life on Earth. Let's take a look at that. So I have a balloon here that just has air in it, no water. Now don't be scared, you might hear a loud pop. This is what you would need help from your parents with. You put a little heat underneath it, it's gonna pop right away. Now if you take a balloon that has water in it, see how that's different. In fact, I want you to think about that. What do you think will happen if I put heat under this balloon? With water in the bottom. Let's see. Ooh, that water absorbs that heat. What do you think will happen if I put the heat higher up on the balloon? Let's watch. Where there's no water, oh, it pops. So water has a great physical property of absorbing heat, and it keeps that balloon from popping. Another fun experiment you can do with the balloon, with your parents' help, is to have a bottle. This is just an old water bottle. I put some vinegar in the bottom, okay? And then I'm going to take a balloon, and I'm going to put a funnel in it. And I'm going to use baking soda. This is a solid, a powder. I'm going to go and put 2 full spoonfuls in there. And if you're wondering about how much vinegar, about 2 to 4 ounces in the bottle is good. So you can see this is a liquid, nice flowing stuff. You've got your solid baking soda. And then I'm going to open the bottle and I'm going to stretch the balloon over the top of the bottle. Now, I don't know if you know this, but I'll give you a hint. When I lift this balloon, the baking soda is going to mix with the vinegar and it's going to produce a gas. Remember that phase of matter that really spreads out? What do you think is going to happen to the balloon? Well, let's find out. So I'll lift it up and let the baking soda mix. And the balloon blows up. Really blows up. And so the physical property of this balloon really changed from a small balloon to a nice big balloon. And guess what? The bottle actually feels cold. That reaction actually absorbs heat and makes the remaining bottle feel really cold. And finally, because these are stressful times, this isn't really an experiment, but something you can make. Take a balloon, and you can get something like cornstarch or sand or even flour. And you can put a funnel into your balloon and fill it with one of these things so it fills it nice and a decent size. Tie it off. I drew a little face on mine. And now you got a nice stress reliever to help us during these challenging times. Thanks for coming by, guys. I'll see you next time.